Hey guys, I'm James Patrick. Welcome to my channel. To give you a little bit about myself, I was laid off from work back in August, and I've been floating around trying to figure out what I love to do. And I found out I love to build stuff. So I do a lot of woodworking projects. I started up my own woodworking business, and I really want to start getting out into more self-reliance, like homesteading. So I'll be covering videos on that, and if this is something that interests you, definitely hit subscribe. What you can expect is 1 to 2 videos a week. I'd like to do more. Just depends on the projects I got going on, and I don't want to throw stuff out there at you if it's just kind of filler. It's not fair to you. So we'll play it by ear, but expect 1 to 2 videos a week. And with that, welcome. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.